We're now gonna make slime. This is part 2. Say hi.
Hi.
As you can see, my friend is here. Don't say, why is your friend is here? I don't know, you have a friend? You guys know I have friends, a lot of friends. Like, if you guys don't say, haha, you don't have friends. Sorry, but you're wrong. I have friends.
Yeah, that's bad, okay?
Yeah, that's bullying. Kairos has no friends because Kairos only had me, our bully at school.
Yeah.
Kairos only have me as a friend, and everyone hates him.
Yes.
So hate him. Even teacher hates him. Teacher wants Kairos to go divine again, right?
Yes.
I've never told you that. Why don't you know? Why do you know that they hate Kairos?
We got part 3, okay?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.